Hi, welcome to our tutorial on replacing a passenger in the Amadeus software system. Today, we'll walk you through the straightforward process to make updates seamlessly. Start by logging into your Amadeus account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu. Locate the passenger name record or PNR associated with the booking. This is typically a 6-character code. Click on the PNR to access the passenger details. In the PNR details, identify the passenger you want to replace. Note that their name, seat assignment, and any other relevant information. Click on the option to modify the passenger details and then locate the cancellation or delete option for the existing passenger. Confirm the action to remove the passenger from the booking. Once the existing passenger is cancelled, proceed to add the new passenger and then enter their details including name, contact information, and any specific requirements, and then assign a seat if necessary. To ensure accuracy, verify the new passenger details and then confirm that the changes assigned are aligned with the desired updates.